Could something as small as a sneeze break your bones? You won't believe this. A sneeze can travel at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. That's like a small car zooming past. With that kind of power, it's not surprising that some people wonder if a sneeze can break ribs. While it's rare, it's not impossible. That's why sneezing with your mouth or nose completely closed is dangerous. It builds up insane pressure inside your body. It's a reminder of how our bodies, while resilient, can also be surprisingly fragile. So, the next time you feel that tickle in your nose, maybe brace yourself a little, because a sneeze might just pack more punch than you think. Who knew sneezes could be so dangerous? Follow for more wild body facts.